What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing great and welcome to Percussion. My name is Bull Roman. On this channel I upload different rhythms as well as tips to help you as a percussionist. So if they interest you, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to leave a like on this video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to play the cha-cha-cha rhythm on 2 congas. Let's get started. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be sure to leave a like on this video. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend and I'll see you guys next Friday. Peace.